For 20 years, I've been planning this moment. I've studied prepping, stockpiled, trained, practiced, and now it's time to live the life I've been preparing for. Welcome to SurvivalScope, Project Homestead. We're building our homestead from the ground up, sharing hands-on projects, real survival skills, and everything it takes to live off the grid and on our own terms, one project at a time. You might know us from our prepping videos, and we're still going to bring you that kind of content, but now we're putting it into action. Subscribe and join us on this journey, because survival isn't just a backup plan, it's a way of life.